Today I'm at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center, where I'm gonna introduce our combination wall oven. What we deliver here is performance with our vide oven up top that's gonna cook your food 2 to 4 times faster than you would with a conventional oven because there's no preheat required. It's great for an individual meal, an individual pizza, those dino nuggets that kids love. But my favorite thing about it is I could bake a potato in 6 to 7 minutes where I don't have to worry about my oven preheating. That takes 45 minutes to cook one baked potato. Down below, why we call it a combination wall oven, because you are gonna get that speed oven up top. This is also a microwave and a convection oven up here. But down below is our steam assist oven. So you wanna add that moisture so your food doesn't dry out for like a turkey or fish, things like that. We provide that flexibility with our combination wall oven with the speed oven up top and our steam assist oven down below. If you want to see this live in person, head to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Calabasas, Studio City, Costa Mesa, Torrance, and Santa Clarita.